Namaskar दोस्तों. Welcome back to our channel where we uncover the secrets behind the biggest YouTube sensations. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं YouTube के सबसे बड़े sensation, Mr. Beast के बारे में. Yes, the man who has taken the internet by storm. Millions of subscribers, billions of views. His numbers are mind-boggling and keep growing every single day. और हर वीडियो एक के बाद एक super hit. But कैसे? What makes his videos so irresistible and engaging? क्या ये सब सिर्फ lucky है? Is it just luck or is there something more to it? ना, इसके पीछे है सालों की मेहनत, planning और कुछ ऐसी techniques जो Mr. Beast को बनाती हैं YouTube का king. It's a blend of relentless hard work, meticulous planning and innovative techniques. हम जानेंगे वो सारी टेक्निक्स और स्ट्रैटेजीज जो मिस्टर बीस्ट अपनी हर वीडियो को सुपर हिट बनाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. From brainstorming unique ideas to executing them flawlessly, there's a lot to learn. तो चलिए, बिना किसी देरी के शुरू करते हैं. Let's dive deep into the world of Mr. Beast and uncover his secrets. Get ready to have your minds blown. This journey is going to be as exciting as his videos. और हाँ, अगर आप भी YouTube पे बड़ा बनना चाहते हैं, तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिएगा. Stay tuned till the end if you want to learn how to make it big on YouTube yourself. Don't miss out. Guys, let's be real. Mr. Beast की सबसे बड़ी पहचान उनका यूनिक कंटेंट है. कभी वो 10,000 स्ट्रेंजर्स को पैसे बांट रहे हैं, तो कभी वो 100 कार्स गिव अवे कर रहे हैं, और कभी-कभी तो वो ऐसे चैलेंजेस करते हैं जो सुनने में ही इम्पॉसिबल लगते हैं. Imagine giving away a whole island to a subscriber, या फिर playing hide and seek for $1 lakh. ये है मिस्टर बीस्ट का लेवल. उनके चैलेंजेस भी काफी डिफरेंट होते हैं, जैसे last to leave circle wins $5 lakh. Because at the end of the day, it's all about entertainment, right? Or Mr. Beast definitely knows how to entertain. Okay, so you have a crazy idea for a video. That's great. But what if I told you that's not enough? आजकल ऑडियंस सिर्फ कंटेंट ही नहीं, बल्कि उसकी क्वालिटी पर भी ध्यान देती है. मिस्टर बीस्ट अपनी हर वीडियो में बेस्ट कैमरा, बेस्ट एडिटिंग और बेस्ट साउंड क्वालिटी का यूज करते हैं. वो अपने वीडियोस के प्रोडक्शन पर काफी पैसा खर्च करते हैं ताकि वो प्रोफेशनली बन सके. The way they shoot, the way they edit, the special effects, it's all top notch. High quality visuals or sound effects उनकी videos को और भी engaging बनाते हैं. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to watch a blurry video with bad sound, right? Presentation matters. Now, here's the thing about Mr. Beast. He's not just about the money, the challenges, the crazy stunts. Mr. Beast अपनी वीडियोस में सिर्फ पैसा ही नहीं बांटते, बल्कि वो अपनी ऑडियंस के साथ एक इमोशनल कनेक्शन भी बनाते हैं. उनके गिव अवेज में आप देखेंगे कि वो लोगों की मदद करते हैं जो सच में उस मदद के हकदार होते हैं, जैसे किसी गरीब को घर दिलवाना या फिर बीमार बच्चे के इलाज के लिए पैसा देना. These acts of kindness, guys, they stay with you. They leave a lasting impression on your heart and mind. ये सब देखकर ऑडियंस उनके साथ इमोशनली कनेक्ट हो जाती है. They feel a sense of belonging and empathy. They see the good that he's doing, the lives that he's changing, and they can't help but feel connected to him. It's like they are part of his journey, and that's what makes his videos so powerful. It's not just entertainment, it's a movement of kindness and generosity that resonates deeply with people. Every video is meticulously planned to not only entertain, but also to inspire and bring about real change. This is the magic of storytelling combined with genuine emotional connection. And it's not just Mr. Beast. His entire team works tirelessly to ensure that every act of kindness is impactful and meaningful. The ripple effect of his actions can be seen in the community, where fans are inspired to do good and help others, creating a chain of positivity. Okay, let's talk about the first thing people see when they're scrolling through YouTube. The thumbnail. Thumbnails are like the cover of a book. They give the first impression and can make or break whether someone decides to watch your video. And let me tell you, मिस्टर बीस्ट की वीडियोस की थंबनेल्स और टाइटल्स हमेशा आई कैचिंग होते हैं. They are designed to grab your attention instantly and make you curious about the content. उनकी thumbnails bright, bold और simple होती है, जो तुरंत attention grab कर लेती है. The colors are vibrant, the images are clear, and the text is easy to read. You see a thumbnail with a giant stack of cash or 100 cars, or Mr. Beast himself with a shocked expression, you're gonna click on it. These elements create a sense of excitement and curiosity. Titles भी वैसे ही होते हैं जो आपको क्लिक करने पर मजबूर कर देते हैं. They are crafted to be intriguing and make you want to know more. जैसे I survived 24 hours in ice, या giving $1 million to random people. These titles promise something extraordinary and make you curious about how the story unfolds. These titles are short, catchy, and create a sense of intrigue. They make you wonder, how did they do that? Or what happened next? Because let's face it, a boring thumbnail and title is like a boring book cover. Nobody's gonna pick it up. You need to make sure your thumbnails and titles are as engaging as possible to draw viewers in and keep them interested. Guys, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and most importantly, consistency. Consistency. Mr. Beast के सक्सेस का एक और सीक्रेट है. वो अपने कंटेंट को रेगुलर बेसिस पर अपलोड करते हैं, जो उनके सब्सक्राइबर्स को एंगेज्ड रखता है. He responds to comments, he gives shout-outs, he makes his audience feel like they're a part of something big. इससे उनका फैन बेस और भी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है. Because people don't just watch Mr. Beast, they feel like they know him. Now let's talk about the YouTube algorithm. That mysterious force that decides which videos get seen and which ones get lost in the abyss. Mr. Beast को YouTube algorithm का काफी अच्छा ज्ञान है. They hook you from the very first second. इसके अलावा वो अपने कीवर्ड्स और टैग्स का सही यूज करते हैं, जिससे वीडियो का रीच और भी बढ़ जाता है. They know what people are searching for, and they make sure their videos show up in those searches. Let's face it, two heads are better than one. And in the world of YouTube, collaborations are key. Mr. Beast time to time बड़े YouTubers और influencers के साथ collaborations करते हैं. ये collaborations उनकी videos को और भी ज़्यादा reach देते हैं. Because now you're not just reaching Mr. Beast's audience, you're reaching the other creators' audience as well. साथ ही वो trending topics पर videos बनाते हैं, जो उस time पर ज़्यादा search हो रहे होते हैं. Because they're giving people what they want, when they want it. Guys, let me tell you, creating those epic Mr. Beast videos is no one-man show. Mr. Beast के पास एक experienced team है, जो उनकी videos के लिए planning और execution करती है. उनकी team हर video के लिए detailed planning करती है, जिससे वो flawless बनता है. They brainstorm ideas, they scout locations, they write scripts, they handle all the logistics. It's a well-oiled machine. They're not afraid to put in the time and effort to make sure every video is the best it can be. You know what they say, no risk, no reward. And Mr. Beast is definitely not afraid to take risks. Mr. Beast अपने content में हमेशा risk लेने से नहीं डरते. जैसे उन्होंने एक बार अपने सारे पैसे एक सिंगल वीडियो पर लगाए और वो गैम्बल उनके लिए सक्सेसफुल रहा. उनके वीडियोस में एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन और रिस्क टेकिंग एटीट्यूड उन्हें सबसे अलग बनाता है. They're not afraid to try new things, to push the boundaries, to break the mold. And that's what makes their content so fresh and exciting. That's what. So, you've made an awesome video. Now what? Well, you gotta get it out there. Mr. Beast अपने videos को promote करने के लिए social media का भी use करते हैं. वो अपने Instagram, Twitter और TikTok accounts पर अपने videos के clips और teasers share करते हैं, जिससे उनके videos को और भी ज़्यादा views मिलते हैं. They interact with their fans, they respond to their messages, they make them feel like they're a part of the Mr. Beast family. So there you have it, guys. The secrets behind Mr. Beast's viral success. It's a combination of crazy ideas, high-quality production, emotional storytelling, smart use of the YouTube algorithm, collaborations, risk-taking, and community building. But most importantly, it's about entertaining people, making them laugh, making them think, and making them feel something. And that's what Mr. Beast does best. So go out there, be creative, be passionate, be consistent, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be the next Mr. Beast.